Welcome to Navkar Systems. This is RFID motorized lock. This is used for wooden doors and aluminium doors and metal doors. For all the doors it can be used. It is mostly suitable for indoor doors, not for outdoor. Like it should be used indoor only because it has got a PCB inside, and if it gets the water exposure, it can get damaged, and there is no warranty for water damage. So this is a RFID motorized lock. These are all the accessories and all the product that comes along. It works on 12 volt DC power supply. That is not included. It has got 3 keys. This outside cylinder, this remote. This remote is not for opening the lock. It is used to configure the card. And this is the inside part of the RFID part, and this is the outside part. And this is the accessory for installing the cylinder outside, and one card comes along with this. So now I'll show you the actual working of the latch. This is the latch. So it's a silent lock like this. This has got a sensor over here. So once it comes near it, automatically once it is charged up, it's powered up, and it has got 12 volt DC onto it, and it comes in front of it. Automatically this latch will come outside and this lock will get locked. So it is very easy to handle, and it does not make much of a noise when installing, like when using this lock. And the installation is also quite easy. On a metal door you have to get it welded. You can also use screws to get it installed. There is a screw holes outside. So you can also add cards, like you can add up to 100 cards to this lock very easily, and it does not need much of an accessory, or all can be installed on the door itself. So this part is will be visible outside the door, and this will be inside the door. This is a rim lock, but this is a RFID because it has got a RFID, and it has a motorized operation, so we call it motorized. And this is a RFID motorized electronic lock, and this works on card as well as key. Thank you.